वेलकम टू माय चैनल करेंट अफेयर्स जिस्ट। आज का टॉपिक है 8 to 13 नवंबर का करेंट अफेयर्स। फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज हु हैज़ बीन सिलेक्टेड 2020 तेंजिन नॉर्गे नेशनल एडवेंचर अवार्ड। किसको मिला है? प्रियंका मोहिते। आंसर इज बी, प्रियंका मोहिते को तेंजिन नॉर्गे नेशनल एडवेंचर अवार्ड मिला है 2020 ईयर का। Next topic is who is the author of the book The Cinema of Satyajit Ray? Who is the author of the book The Cinema of Satyajit Ray? Answer is Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Bhaskar Chattopadhyay is the author of the book The Cinema of Satyajit Ray. Number 3. Who is the author of the book Not Just Cricket, A Reporter's Journey? Answer is Pradeep Magazine. Pradeep Magazine is the author of the book Not Just Cricket, A Reporter's Journey. Number 4. World Urbanization Day or Town Planning Day is observed on which date? 8 November. 8 November. 8 November को वर्ल्ड अर्बनाइजेशन डे और वर्ल्ड अर्बनाइजेशन डे और टाउनिंग प्लानिंग डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 8 November. Next topic is which actor has been conferred with Vasavha Shri Award 2021 का? इसको मिला है पुनीत राजकुमार को। पुनीत राजकुमार को। Next topic is number 6. Pakal-Dul hydro project is constructed in which state? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Next topic is number 7. International Day of Radiology is observed on which date? 8 November. इस साल का थीम क्या है? एक्टिव केयर फॉर पेशेंट। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक द सेज विथ टू हॉर्न्स? आंसर इज सुधा मूर्ति। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नंबर 9. नेशनल कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन व्हिच डेट? आंसर इज 7th November. Who is the next topic number 10. Who is the writer of the book An Economist and at Home and Abroad, A Personal Journey? Who is the writer? Shankar Acharya. Number 11. Goa Maritime Conclave has been organized by Indian Army, Indian Navy or none of the above. Which is the answer? Answer is Indian Navy. Number 12. National Legal Service Day is observed on which date? 9th November. Answer is 9th November. 13. Which state develops country's first ever bamboo made cricket bat? Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Kerala. Answer is Tripura. Number 14. Which country has launched world's first earth science satellite named Guangmu or SDGSAT-1? China, India. Answer China, India, Russia, Britain. Answer is China. Number 15. Who wins 2021 Mexico City Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen. Which is the answer? Answer is number A, Max Verstappen. 16. Who becomes youngest blower to take T20 wicket? Answer is Rashid Khan. 17. In association with NASA, which country's space agency announced plans to send rover to the moon by 2026 that will harvest lunar soil containing oxygen? कौन सा कंट्री ने फर्स्ट स्टार्ट किया है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया। नंबर 18. जुल्फागर 1400 is an annual military exercise of which country that was conducted in Gulf of Oman recently? Answer is Pakistan, Oman, UAE, Iran. Which is the answer? Answer is Iran. 19. Number 19. Nagpur Gupta teenager Sankalp Gupta has become India's 68, 69, 70 or 71st Grandmaster. Answer is number D, 71st Grandmaster. 20. Which state has topped the State Energy Efficiency Index 2020? Answer is Karnataka. 21. Next. Name the Indian swimmer who won the gold medal in National Aquatic Championship. Answer is Ridhima Virendra Kumar. Next. Which union minister launched the Green Day Ahead Market? Answer is Ministry of New Renewable Energy. 23rd. Who has authored, printing mistake है, ये author का spelling इधर printing mistake है. Who has authored the book Writing for My Life? Writing for My Life, who is the author? Ruskin Bond. Next. Which institution has launched Garuda app? Niti Aayog, Election Commission of India, Supreme Court, Home Ministry. Answer is Election Commission of India. Next. India's first state government-owned wildlife DNA analysis laboratory was opened in which state? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra? Answer is Maharashtra. Next question. VAME Technology signed Memorandum of Undertaking with which state government for setting up integrated defense system facility? Answer is Telangana. What is India's rank in Global Drug Policy Index? Answer is 18th. Next is International Week of Science. International Week of Science and Peace 2021 is observed. International Week of Science and Peace is observed 9th November to 14th November. Next, World Science Day for Peace and Development is observed on which date? Answer is 10th November. World Science Day for Peace and Development is observed on which date? Answer is 10th November. Next is which district under subdivision of Mairang is approved by Meghalaya Cabinet? Central Khashi District, North Khashi Hill District, West Khashi Hill District. Answer is West Khashi Hill District. Which bank has launched the first video life certificate service for pensioners? Answer is SBI, State Bank of India. Who will head spelling mistake है, आंसर होगा who will head of 6G form 6 generation formed by Department of Telecommunication. K. Rajaraman. Answer is K. Rajaraman. Which Indian city has been included in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network with a special mention for its craft and folk art? Answer is Srinagar. Next, number 34. Who has been conferred with 2021 Booker Prize for Fiction for novel The Promise in English? Damon Galgut. Number D. Damon Galgut. Next, who has been appointed as the head coach of Indian men's cricket team till 2023 to ODI World Cup? Rahul Dravid. Who has been head coach of the Indian men's cricket for World Cup? Rahul Dravid. Who is the author of the book titled The Sage with Two Horns? Sudha Murthy. Which government launched Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? Delhi. A book Nehru, The Debates That Defined India. Who is the author? Author is Tripur Daman Singh and Adil Hossain and Tripur Daman Singh. Who is the author of The Sunrise Over Ayodhya, Nationhood, Our Times? Salman Khurshid. Who is the author of the book Finding a Straight Line Between Twists and Turns? Ashim Chawla. In logistics, Easy Across Different State 2021 Index, which is the best performing state? Gujarat. Who becomes first Chinese woman astronaut to work in space? Wang Yaping. National Education Day is observed on which date? 11th November. Who is appointed as next Chief of Naval Staff? R. Hari Kumar. In climate change performance index, what is the India's rank? India's rank is, answer is C, 10th. Which country becomes 101 member country of ISA? USA. Who won 37th master title at Paris 2021? Novak Djokovic. A new biotechnology center for Northeast State Tribals has been inaugurated in which state of India? Arunachal Pradesh. With which country India has signed a pact aimed at innovation and speeding up the development of dual-use technology by small and medium-sized firms in both countries, Israel and India? Israel. Who has become India's 72 chess grandmaster? Answer is Mitrava Guha. Which is the partner state of the 14th edition of India International Trade Fair 2021? Bihar. Answer is Bihar. Public Service Broadcasting Day is observed on Tuesday, 12th November. World Pneumonia Day is observed on which date? It is also 12th November. Former South African President passes away. What is the name? Sorry, printing mistake हो गया है. Answer is फ्रेडरिक विलियम. ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो चुका है, पर आंसर होगा फ्रेडरिक विलियम. India's first national Yogasan championship has been organized in which place? Answer is Odisha, Bhubaneswar in Odisha. Which state government launches road safety initiative Rakshak? Answer is Odisha. Who has been re-elected as Prime Minister of Japan? Fumio Kishida. Who has been next and last question, number 58. Who has been named the Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations World Food Programme? The answer is number B, Daniel Brühl. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक एंड शेयर करना. थैंक यू वेरी मच.